Your foam cannon here. So this is just like a normal, pretty cheap foam cannon. If you guys are having a problem with like the foam or anything, it's not like really high suds foam. So what you can do is this piece right here that attaches basically onto your power washer hose. All you do is just get a plier. As you guys can see, it has grooves, or you can just get a socket or a wrench or whatever of the size, and then just loosen it. I just got a plier and loosened it. So you just take it off, right? It's gonna pop out. You guys look inside there, inside the foam cannon, you'll see some slight little piece like this. Yeah, you'll see this little piece in there, and then mine's kind of had like an Allen key groove, so I just got that out. But what you gotta do is, that's basically what I guess sucks it in. This came in the mill, and then all you gotta do is the same thing, is just screw it back in there. So as I said, mine was with the Allen key, so I just got an Allen key and screwed it out. It's like a tiny little piece in there. So as you guys can see, the one on the right, it has kind of like an Allen key groove, so I just got an Allen key and I got that out. And then the other one kind of has like a flathead shape, so all you gotta do is just screw it in. I'm just gonna throw it in there. Shit won't want to focus, bro. I'm just gonna screw it in there, guys. I'm gonna need both hands. Pretty easy. I got it in there, just screwed it in with a flathead screwdriver. Just throw it in there with your finger or whatever, and then just get a screwdriver and start screwing it in, and it should just screw in. Once you've done that, just get this piece right here that attaches onto the hose and just screw that in. And just tighten it with a plier. Alright, and then yeah, let's try it out. Rinsing the car down real quick, guys. Alright guys, I'm gonna fill the foam cannon up with a little bit of more water. I just threw some more soap in there. The ceramic suds, chemical guys soap in there. Hopefully the suds pretty good. So let's see. And this is the soap, guys, I'm using. Hydro Suds ceramic car wash soap from Chemical Guys, if you guys were wondering. And yeah, I just filled it up with water and just threw a little bit of more soap in there so it foams up a little bit better. Alrighty, guys. Way better. Spraying way better than before. So yeah, this is just a demonstration. I'm not actually gonna scrub it down. As I said, it's about to rain here in Texas, so this solely for you guys, just to see. Hopefully it helps you guys out. Cheap trick to your foam cannon. And I have a video before how trash it used to spray, so compared to now, like look at that. Way better suds, and my power washer is not even that good. I got a cheap gun. Yeah, so now I'm just gonna let it sit and run itself down, so I don't have to touch the car. Either way, I wasn't gonna touch it because it's about to rain for like a whole week. Camera, as you guys can see, is way more foam. I've just been sitting for a few minutes now, just letting it run all down. But yeah, I'll show previous videos before, and this is like way better than before. Like, just look how much foam there is. Yeah, it's running all down. But as I saw, you guys saw it spraying on the GoPro, This is the better camera. So you guys can see way more foam. Just with that little tip and trick, $5-10 upgrade for your foam cannon. It's literally like a $10-15 foam cannon. No, none of those like pretty expensive foam cannons. Electric power washer. And the gun is trash too. It's not like some dope gun. So you guys can see just with those cheap $5-10 thing that goes in there, helped it that much. I'm just gonna spray it down. I didn't even touch the car at all, I didn't scrub it at all. Just let the soap sit and let it run down, get all the dirt and grime off. In the car right now so I can dry it off because it's ceramic coated, so if I just drive and just let the air while I'm driving drive it off, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that and show you guys. Start it up. Alright, I'm gonna go for the drive. Damn, look at that sunset. I don't want to put my window down, but I mean I'm just driving, just trying to get it off. Is to go like above 60, 70 to get all the water to run off, kind of like a blow dryer, but I'm just driving, it's easier. Alrighty guys, so there's the car. I mean it's still kind of not fully dried off, but yeah, sunset's happening. Looks pretty dope, but it did clean it pretty good for, you know, not touching the car at all, like as you guys can see. I mean, it looks pretty good. It's not like 100% perfect, but yeah, I mean it's pretty clean considering that I just sprayed the foam cannon and just sprayed it right off. Like even the rims, everything is not, I mean, it's not perfect, but I mean this is good enough for, I mean, if your car is not too dirty. So that's the good thing about it. If your foam cannon does spray good soap, that's the good thing, is that it really minimizes touching the car and minimizes the time you need spending on the wash. That's basically a trick for you guys, so your foam cannon sprays better. Hopefully you guys liked that video. If you did, drop a like on it. Make sure to hit that subscribe button if you guys are new, and stay tuned to the channel. You can follow me on Instagram, it's Immune 5.0. If you got any questions, drop any future video ideas, and any comments down in the comments below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and yeah, I appreciate all the support, and I'll see you guys in the next video.